In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the language on Minecraft. So this is very easy. I'm gonna show you how to do it in just a few seconds. So what you need to do is press the menu, then go to options, which is the button right here. It may be changed and it might not be in your main language. So I'm gonna show you where you need to click. It's right here, just above the last button. Then you will need to go to language, which is this option right here. If you start from below, it's the third option. And after that, you will see the full list of all the languages you can choose. You just need to click your preferred language and it will take a few seconds. For example, let's say I want Spanish. It will take a few seconds to load. And now the language of everything has changed. And if you want to change it back, just press the same buttons and search for your language. So that's it. That's how easy you can change the language on Minecraft. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.